How do I zoom in? Zoom it in.
Well,
How do I zoom it? Do you see what I'm doing?
well, there was a possum or something like running across that little
Here.
road. Probably what?
Turn around.
No.
Come on! Hurry up! Come on! Stop the goddamn car and get out and look at this. It's a fucking triangle with 3 lights. Come on. Get out! Get out! Your people are crazy. This is
really?
Open not my door. This is for real. This is for real. Go. It's not. If you would get out.
We're not getting out in the fucking road. You're crazy, Gary.
Look right there. This thing has made a circle. Do you see the 3 lights? Barely creeping. Go.
Nope. Don't
Go.
say it again.
I've got it on video. Go.